Magluto tayo, pakbet Ilocano. Madali lang. So dito, ang ginawa ko, yung liempo, pinalambot ko lang, and then I browned it, and then I added ginger, garlic, onion, and a lot of tomatoes. Tapos, nilayer ko lang yung lahat ng mga veggies. After that, nilagyan ko na ng bagoong isda, and I covered it and simmered everything for at least 20 minutes. Nung maluluto na siya, I just stir it once or twice, covered it again, and simmer everything until everything is cooked all together. That's it. Mabilis ang pakbet. Bet na bet!